All right, it's time for our today's live, Finance Live, and welcome everyone. Today we have Hassan with us, and our topic today is the ACM Mainnet launching from Frontline interview and AMA. So very happy to see every one of you who just joined our live stream. And here's Priya from C-Talk, and C-Talk is very happy to meet with ACM and Hassan. Yeah, so everyone here, please feel free to click likes, leave your comments, and follow us on Twitter. And yes, today Hassan is very welcome you to join our today's live show. So please give us an introduction of yourself and also give a deeper introduction of ACM. Thank you.
Yeah. So hi, Bria. It's nice to be with you here. And hi, everyone watching us now. And my name is Hassan, as Bria has already introduced. And I am the Regional BD Director of ACM. And before joining ACM, I've worked at centralized exchanges like Femex and Bitget. And now I'm here to make privacy on-chain right for everyone with ACM. So did you mention also about the project, giving introduction, or was it only about me?
Yes, please give a short introduction of ACM as well.
Yeah, so it's before introducing you the ACM, it's a really exciting day for us. It's the mainnet launch. And we are so happy and excited for everything that's going on, and because this is something we really are passionate about, and seeing that it is coming through and people are coming back with great feedbacks is really, really something great. So ACM or AI Cross Matrix is actually a decentralized privacy finance protocol that leverages artificial intelligence, ring signatures, basically zero knowledge proofs to enable cross-chain and also secure anonymous transactions. So this is the essence of what we do at ACM.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I can't get your voice. I think muted for a moment.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Hassan, for your introduction. So right now we have a briefly understand of what is ACM. It is about a privacy protocol. But as we know that right now it's so many products doing like privacy protocols. So I'm wondering, how does ACM differentiate itself from the existing privacy protocols in the market?
Well, that's true. And how we do it, ACM, is actually ACM combines zero knowledge proofs, AI, path obfuscation, and ring signatures to deliver a triple layer privacy. And most protocols only use one of them. So that's one thing. And then on the other hand, ACM also supports cross-chain transfers with real-time AI routing and built-in compliance tools, which most other solutions lack. For example, you can send USDC from Ethereum to, say, Solana chain privately with your path and identity fully hidden.
Okay, thank you, Hassan, for your detailed explanation. I know like there's some core technologies inside of ACM. So I believe most of all of our audience, they're not the tech guys, so they want to learn more from you. Like, can you explain how each core technologies like ZKPS, ring signature, and the AI path of functions within the ACM architecture?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I understand. It's something that's our responsibility in Web3. For many people, it's still unknown. For a lot of people, actually. So it's important to simplify the explanations as much as possible to cater to a bigger, wider audience. And so I'm going to try to do it as simple as possible so everyone here can understand it. So as I said, to create this 3-layer privacy, we are using 3 different technologies, right? One of them is zero knowledge proof. So what they do is they hide your transaction details, be it amount, sender, receiver, but still make your transaction valid, right? And then on the other hand, ring signatures, it just mixes your address with other addresses, so it is untraceable. And then the last one is AI path obfuscation. Basically, it splits and delays transactions across random routes to confuse trackers. So these 3 main technologies, that's how they come into play in this on this platform. And all of them, I can say that they make every transfer private, untraceable, and secure. Yeah. You are muted again. Priya.
Yeah.
No problem.
So yeah, thank you for your explanation. And the technology behind ACM is quite complicated, but it's quite decent to support every of your usage. So I believe it's not an easy thing to build a product with all those technologies. So what has been the biggest technology challenges in building a cross-chain privacy protocol, and how did you guys overcome them?
Yeah, so it's a complex technology, and bringing them together, something that makes us unique, is even more complex. And I mean, I'm not part of the tech team, but I know from our meetings with them is that the hardest part for them was combining privacy with cross-chain speed. So it's technically very complex to keep user data hidden while moving assets between different chains. So our team overcame this by designing this 3-layer privacy stack and also optimizing the transaction pipeline for fast and secure transactions. Mm-hmm. So in essence, this is how it happened.
Okay, it's very impressive to see how you guys work hard on to overcome those problems and make sure the users enjoy the fully privacy and secure network. So I want to know, what does the upcoming mainnet launch represent for ACM and its ecosystem partners?
Yeah, so the launch, that basically means ACM's full privacy protocol infrastructure is live today with you, and it supports multiple chains like BTC, ETH, Solana, BNB, and DOT. And for partners, it opens access to privacy as a service, cross-chain tools, and node rewards, and all of this on a scalable and audited platform.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, and Mainnet is definitely one of the most exciting parts of the products right now we're facing. So what features will be available on Mainnet from day one, and will users and developers be able to interact with the protocol immediately?
Yeah, so from day one today, the users and developers are all able to interact directly with the protocol. And what it includes now is that the core cross-chain features, basically allowing users to transfer assets between multiple blockchains, and liquidity provision, in other words, staking, is also available. Basically, users can contribute to the protocol and earn rewards. Additionally, our native token, ACM, is launched on decentralized exchanges, and that allows our users to trade and also participate in liquidity mining to earn ACM tokens.
That's so exciting. Yeah, I believe many of our audience and the followers of ACM is ready to join the whole ecosystem. And as I know that there already got so many partners willing to support ACM, and ACM already have several strategic partners. How do you see these collaborations evolving in the post-mainnet? And which other chains will be interacted in the upcoming months?
Mm-hmm. Well, our partners, especially in Southeast Asia, they are basically helping us grow adoption of ACM by promoting cross-chain tools and staking features. And in the coming weeks and months, we will expand more chains and for new collaborations, basically to boost our liquidity and to make the ecosystem more accessible for all the Web3 users. And when it comes to which chains, I think step by step, we will be sharing that with our community on our social channels.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's very expecting to see all this happen. And right now, the mainnet is the very important milestone. And I'm wondering what are the next major milestones following the midnight? And can you share any hints about the roadmap priorities for Q3 and Q4?
Yeah, so after this mainnet launch, in the current quarter and next quarter, what we're going to do is launch our AI routing engine version 2 and upgrade to Privacy Protocol 2.0. And also we will expand into wallets, decentralized exchanges, and also Web3 games. And I can say that our focus in these 2 quarters will be ecosystem integration, faster routing, and also preparing for SDK, software development kit, and centralized exchange listing in early 2026.
Okay. Yeah, that's I think this is one of the most important parts of what our audience been looking for and being curious about. Yes, and right now for everyone who joining our live stream, please leave for longer, and we have more questions to ask Hassan about ACM. And everyone, feel free to leave your comment, to follow us on Twitter. Yeah, and there we go to the next question, Hassan. So as ACM leveraged AI for the path of application, and how do you see the role of AI evolving in the future of decentralized privacy protocols?
Yeah, so AI makes privacy basically smarter. It adapts routes, adds delays, and simulates randomness to block trackers. And I believe in the future, AI will handle real-time threat detection, regulatory filtering, and custom privacy settings per user or app.
Yeah, definitely. AI is gonna be like help, like no matter like which kind of products, like especially the protocols is a lot to like make everything faster, more convenient, and it's definitely be the next hot trend as well. So as the global regulatory security increases, and how is ACM approaching the balance between the privacy and the potential compliance requirements?
Yeah, so ACM, as I mentioned before, uses zero-knowledge proofs and also on-chain audit logs to prove compliance without exposing, revealing any user data. So in also regulated regions, ACM collaborates with trusted encryption service providers to process data securely with end-to-end encryption. So this way, ACM ensures there's no retention, leakage, or misuse of any user data.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I see. Yeah, and with the mainnet launch just around the corner, and what should the community be most excited about the incoming days?
Yeah, so the mainnet launch currently means that faster and cheaper private cross-chain transfers on multiple chains with AI-powered routing and full protocol privacy. That's what it means now. And it also kicks off the Global Node Incentive Program. Basically, early supporters earn rewards by running nodes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's very exciting. I believe many community members is ready to hit this rock and ready to work on this. Yeah, and right now, it's time for you guys, for all the community members right now, and please submit some questions you guys want to ask us, and we will collect it to choose 5 of them to answer about that. And we will leave 5 minutes for you guys to send questions. And during this time, we will also discuss some with Hassan about ACM and also the future, how's the future market is gonna goes. We're gonna have some talk about this and leave some 5 minutes for you guys to send your questions. All right, and I will count the time from now on. Okay, yes, Hassan, I really thank you for your very detailed explanation. And right now I learned you answered all of my curiosities about ACM. And of course, the mainnet launch is definitely very important point for a products. It's very important to how you guys collect all the community to make everyone pay attention on very important step for your product. Yeah, and I believe right now your team also been very busy for the last a few months. Is it?
Yeah, it's been a very, very busy time, and now with the mainnet launch, we are happy that our users, those who want to be on our platform, can experience what it means when we say privacy on chain, privacy for everyone. Because what ACM wants to do in essence is making privacy a right for everyone, right? Not just some feature that you will be able to benefit from or not. Because most of the other solutions out there, they can't provide basically everything all together. So that doesn't make them a private privacy platform. So what we do here is that the privacy that everyone needs. And when you look at the analysis from chain analysis in 2023, the on-chain private transfer demand has reached $7.8 billion US. So that's definitely a big, there's a big need out there. People need it, either just normal people or institutions, DeFi institutions. So it's that's why we are happy that we can really cater to the needs of a very big group of people. And yeah, and we are very happy today that we are tired, but busy and tired, but happy. Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell. Like the market is super huge, and especially with such a strong technology support behind ACM, it definitely can bring many trust to our users and to actually bring the benefit to protect their information, their data on chain. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I have already see so many questions, and let me just pick one of them. First one, like, what is the long-term vision of ACM, and where do you see it fitting within the broader Web3 infrastructure landscape?
The long-term vision of ACM, right? And
Yep.
and where it fits in within the broader Web3. Okay.
Yeah.
ACM basically aims to become the privacy layer for all of Web3, like a Fort Knox, but for on-chain activity. And long term, we see ACM integrated into wallets, decentralized exchanges, games, and also DeFi apps. So this way, we want to make privacy a default, not a luxury. So that's something we want to do. And I have used this term Fort Knox. Probably some users know, some don't. Think of Fort Knox as one of the most secure places in the world, right? Because it protects most of US gold reserves. So ACM, what it wants to do is do the same for digital assets, basically giving users maximum privacy, zero leaks, and full control over their data.
Okay, thank you so much for this answer, Hassan. Yeah, and also there's so many other questions, and now let me pick another one. The second one is, okay, what role do you envision the community playing in the post-launch phase? For example, in governance, development, or ecosystem evangelism?
Yeah, so our community can basically help run nodes, refer users, and build or integrate apps using ACM's software development kit. And community feedback is very important, which will also guide feature upgrades and ecosystem priorities. So we also welcome and encourage our users to give their feedback to us, because, as I've said, it will guide our feature upgrades and ecosystem priorities.
That's very good. Yeah, and here we comes to the third question. Just our community is so patient and they send a lot of questions. Okay, here's the third one. How can users, developers, and partners get involved or support ACM during this crucial phase?
Yeah. So basically, as I mentioned, you can as a user, you can stake, refer other users, or join the node program. And developers can prepare for upcoming software development kit to build privacy native apps. On the other hand, partners can integrate ACM's privacy tools into wallets, decentralized exchanges, or cross-chain platforms.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. And the next question we're going to pick is, what kinds of real-world use cases or could ACM help transform as privacy becomes programmable and cross-chain?
Yes, so ACM can power private cross-chain payments, institutional DeFi, compliant crypto finance, and even Web3 games. For example, a game studio can let users buy in-game assets anonymously across different chains using ACM. That's, for example, an example to Web3 games use case.
Okay, thank you. And the last one, if you could send one message to the Web3 community ahead of the mainnet launch, what would it be?
Yes, so we are here, and we say privacy should be a right, not a rare feature. and ACM is here to make that real.
Mhm.
And I say join us as we bring secure and cross-chain privacy to everyone in Web3. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Hassan, for the detailed answers of like either the 10 questions we asked in the very beginning and also the questions community being asked. And we are very, very excited to see the mainnet launch and excited. I believe many of our audience excited to join to join building either as the developers or as individual users. Nodes, they are ready to go into the whole process. Okay, thank you so much, Hassan, for your detailed answers today. And that's the questions for our today's live show. And very happy to see all of your audience to join our live stream, to watch our live stream. And please keep following us on Twitter to keep connected with C Talk, and every time we will interview very quality products to bring you guys more about Web3 to help you expand the either technology or the different usage inside of the Web3 industry. Yes, and we are we are helping you guys with every questions you have. And also, is there any last sentence, Hassan, you want to share with our audience?
Yes, I say please do follow our socials. We are on X, we are on YouTube, in order to follow all the news and all the developments from us. It's important to stay connected. Yeah, please follow us on Twitter, and we are also on Telegram, YouTube. Yep.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, and everyone, please follow ACM and their TG group as well, and ask any questions you guys have. If I haven't collected your questions in the live show, yes, Hassan will help to answer that, right?
Yep, I'll be there to answer. No worries.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you guys, and thank you for your time, Hassan, for today's perfect interview. Yes, and hope
Thank you for having me.
Let's hope to see more happening in ACM, and hope to see you somewhere as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.